In this video, we are going to see how we can undo and redo any kind of changes that you make in your document. So let's say we type something and then we want to remove it. And after that, you actually want it back. So what you do is to undo any kind of changes and back to the previous steps, you just click on this arrow signs. Control Z is for undo. You can use the shortcut as well. So it will go one step back, whatever you have done. And as you can see, with each undo action, it shows all the previous action that you have done. And now we have actually realized that we want that text back. So you can redo it. Control Y, and you just keep pressing until you get your desired results. But obviously it has some capacity to it. As you can see here, we can undo a couple of times and we can redo only a couple of times, and after that it will stop. But that's how you can easily undo or redo any last recorded actions in Google Docs. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.